Assalamu alaikum. This is me, Sabah Training Wali. I'm a student of Rehan AI Teacher Training Institute, Semester 24, Level 1. And today I am delighted to welcome my special guest, Hina Taj. She is a talented and inspiring and I'm sure our conversation will be informative, meaningful, and enjoyable. So, Hina Taj, welcome to our interview. It's pleasure to have you here. Assalamu alaikum, Hina Taj.
Hello,
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum Assalam.
Hina Taj, my first question is could you please introduce yourself and tell us a little about your background?
Okay. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hina Taj and I am from Pakistan. I have completed 14 years of education and I have also completed a diploma in information technology. I have 2 years of teaching experience which has helped me improve my communication, confidence and classroom management skill. Currently, I am pursuing an AI teacher training course because I want to understand modern technology and learn how AI can be used effectively in education. I am passionate about learning new skills, improving myself, and building a successful career in education and technology.
It's amazing, Miss Hina. You have completed 14 years of education. What motivated you to continue your educational journey?
My motivation has always been to learn more and improve myself. I believe education is not only about getting a degree, it also helps us develop confidence, knowledge, and better opportunities in life. Whenever I learn something new, I feel more confident and motivated to move forward. That is why I continue my educational journey and also start learning professional and technology related skills. I believe that learning should never stop because there is always something new to discover.
Yes, exactly. You have also completed a diploma in information technology. Why did you choose IT as an area of study?
I choose information technology because technology is becoming an important part of almost every field, especially education. I was interested in computer and wanted to understand how different technologies work. I also wanted to develop practical skills that could help me professionally. During my DIT, I learned about different computer applications and developed skills in areas such as Microsoft Office, basic HTML, and other digital tools. This qualification gave me a strong foundation and increased my interest in technology.
My next question is, what are the most valuable skills you gained during DIT?
The most valuable thing I gained from my DIT was practical computer knowledge. I developed skill in Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, MS Access, basic HTML, Adobe Photoshop, and CorelDRAW. I also learned how to work with digital information and complete tasks more efficiently. Apart from technical skills, I developed problem solving and self learning skills. These skills have been very useful in both my teaching and professional development.
My next question is, you have 2 years of teaching experience. How would you describe your teaching journey?
My teaching journey has been a very valuable learning experience. During these 2 years, I learned that teaching is not only about delivering information, it is also about understanding a student and helping them learn according to their needs. I become more confident in communication, classroom management, and dealing with different type of students. Teaching also taught me patience and responsibility. Overall, it has helped me grow both professionally and personally.
What do you enjoy most about teaching students?
What I enjoy most is seeing students understand something that was difficult for them before. When a student learns a new concept and becomes a confident, it gives me a great sense of satisfaction. I also enjoy interacting with students because every student has a different personality and learning style. Teaching gave me an opportunity to share knowledge while also learning from my students. For me, teaching is not just a profession, it is a way to make a positive difference.
What challenges did you face during your teaching experience and how did you overcome them?
One of the challenges was dealing with students who had different learning as level and different way of understanding things. Some students learn quickly, while others needed more time and individual attention. I tried to be patient and used simple explanation and practical examples. I also encourage students to ask questions without hesitation. This experience taught me that a good teacher should be flexible and should adjust their teaching method according to the student's need.
How has teaching improved your communication and leadership skills?
Teaching has improved my communication skills because I have to explain ideas clearly and listen carefully to students. It has also improved my confidence because I regularly speak in front of class and manage different situations. At the same time, teaching has developed my leadership skills. I have learned how to guide students, motivate them, manage a classroom, and take responsibility. These skills are useful not only in teaching but also in other professional situations.
What is one memorable experience from your teaching career that you'd like to share with us?
Okay. One of the most memorable experience for me is when a student who was initially struggled with a topic finally understood it and become confident. Seeing the change was very satisfying. It reminded me that every student can learn if we give them proper guidance, patience, and encouragement. It also made me realize that sometimes a teacher's small effort can have a big impact on a student's confidence and future. That experience motivated me to become an even better teacher.
You are currently pursuing an AI teacher training course. What motivated you to join this course?
I joined the AI teacher training course because I believe AI is becoming an important part of education and the professional world. As a teacher, I want to understand how AI can use AI in a responsible and effective way. I also want to keep myself updated with modern technology. My goal is not only to learn about AI but also to understand how it can support teachers and students. I believe learning AI skills will help me become a more effective and modern educator.
Before joining the course, what did you know about artificial intelligence?
Before joining the course, I had a basic understanding of artificial intelligence. I knew that AI could help people complete different tasks and that tools like AI chatbots could generate information and ideas. However, my knowledge was mostly general. I did not fully understand how AI could be used in education or how teachers could use it effectively. The course has helped me develop a much better understanding of AI and its practical applications.
What new things have you learned about AI during your training?
During my training, I have learned that AI is much more than just a chatbot. I have learned how AI tool can support teaching, content creation, listen, listen planning, research, brainstorming, and many other activities. I have also learned the importance of giving clear instruction and using AI responsibly. One important lesson for me is that AI should support human creativity and decision making rather than completely replace it. This has made me more interested in exploring AI future further.
How do you think AI can help teachers in their daily teaching activities?
AI can save teachers a lot of time and help them work more efficiently. For example, teacher can use AI to generate lesson ideas, create quiz, prepare activities, simplify difficult topics, and develop different learning material. AI can also help teachers create content according to different student levels. However, I believe teachers should always review and verify AI generated information before using it. AI should be used as a helpful assistant while the teacher remains responsible for the final decision.
In your opinion, how can AI make learning more interesting and effective for students?
AI can make learning more personalized and interactive. Students can use AI tools to ask questions, get explanations, practical different topics, and explore ideas according to their learning level. For example, if a student does not understand a difficult concept, AI can explain it in simpler language or provide examples. This can make students more engaged and encourage independent learning. However, students should use AI as a learning support, not as a replacement for their own thinking.
Do you think teachers should learn AI skills? Why or why not?
Yes, definitely. I believe teachers should learn basic AI skill because education is changing with technology. Teachers do not necessarily need to become AI experts, but they should understand how AI works and how to use it responsibly. AI can help them save time, create better learning materials, and support different types of learners. At the same time, teachers should teach students how to use AI ethically and responsibly. In my opinion, AI literacy will become an important skill for teachers in the future.
You mentioned that you enjoy learning new skills. What new skill would you like to learn in the future?
In the future, I would like to develop more advanced AI and technology skills. I want to learn how to use AI more effectively in education and explore new digital tools. I'm also interested in improving my professional communication and digital teaching skills. My goal is to become a skilled AI educator who can combine teaching experience with modern technology. I believe every new skill gives us an opportunity to grow and become more confident.
How do you keep yourself motivated to continue learning and improving?
I remind myself that learning is a continuous journey. I try to set small goals for myself and focus on progress instead of expecting perfection. When I learn something new, I try to practice it so that it becomes part of my skills. Also remind myself of my future goal and the kind of professional I want to become. This keeps me motivated. I believe consistency is more important learning everything quickly.
Okay, Miss Hina, thank you so much for giving me your precious time. And your conversation is very informative, interesting, and beneficial for our viewers. Thank you so much. Take care. Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.